Hello and welcome to day number 16. In case you haven't seen the last, I don't know, like 7 videos, Noah wasn't here, so because he was doing finals. Did you win finals, Noah?
Well, calculus final, kind of maybe got like a C or a B, but that's okay, I did well enough in the rest of the class that I'll leave with a B.
So, today's number 16, so what you're gonna do now is you're gonna subscribe, and you know the drill. Subscribe, or we'll come to your house, or we'll order you pizza, or we'll be like, hey, any of that. Let's go ahead and open up Jesus Advent Calendar. Here you go, Noah. All right.
Precious moments.
Thank you, Precious Moments, for the free product.
It's a lamb, guys!
We got a lamb. You know how many lambs we have now? A good many.
A couple. The shepherds set out to find the king from heaven above, who they knew would now fill the world with faith, hope, and love.
Now we're opening up this
What?
Precious Snowman's Advent
What?
Calendar.
What?
Noah didn't save it
Oh,
well.
you didn't save it well.
All right, Noah, open up number 16. All right, so today,
This looks to be like a candy cane type of.
Let's put up candy canes high and low. They're green. If we water them, maybe they'll grow.
Put that baby on the tree.
all right, so now it's jerky time.
Jerky?
Day 16.
It's been so long since I've had any jerky.
All right, today we got chili lime beef strips. Who wants some?
I'll have some of that.
I actually have a wild addiction to beef jerky. One time I went to Walgreens and I spent $60 on jerky alone. Like, I bought so many things of jerky that, I had to, hold them all against me. I
Wow.
just ate them all in one night.
And then you got
And I
really
almost
sick
died
the
the next day. Yes. But
You're
it was very worth it.
Chili lime. Chili lime beef strips.
Baby. I can be a baby.
Not sure about this one. That's whoa! That's 3 different flavors. That's a flavor train right there. It started out like sweet,
Mm-hmm.
Then it went, more towards the savory side. And then the lime hits you.
It does.
It punches you in the face. And then the chili comes back.
My chicken puppies.
And it's like, whoa!
Wait, is it
Mind
supposed to be
blown.
spicy?
Yeah, it was spicy at first.
Chicken puppies.
And
I
then it
didn't
wasn't.
experience that.
I'm just eating. I didn't experience any of that.
I just have a wonderful
What do you
palate.
think?
It was just kind of sweet meat.
It's just meat.
It wasn't as good as a bourbon deer, but it was a very interesting experience.
All right.
Multiple bourbon items.
It's jewelry time.
Makeup o'clock.
When's the best time to go to the makeup store? Charm 30.
All right, number 16 on the bracelet charms. It's red rhinestones on a ring.
Oh, that's about as trill as it gets. Okay, move on.
Okay, number 16.
Oh, what's that? What's that?
Glam glow.
This is a
Glam glow
Glow-
commotion.
Glow
not glam
Commotion Shimmer Highlighter Eyeshadow.
Nah, that's a lot of things.
Yeah!
Was there a glam glow thing in here?
No. Glam Glow is the one face.
How's it look?
Wait.
It's cheese time.
Oh,
Cheese!
cheese! Cheese! Okay, so we're gonna be opening up number 16, the cheese calendar. Oh, that's up here. I'm gonna bet it's Edam. Probably some Edam in here. Maybe, I hope. I wasn't able to try the Edam.
Because you were too busy being lame.
Yeah, you weren't even taking
It is Edam!
Oh, dang.
Bro! What a coincidence.
Damn.
I mean, statistically, the likelihood of getting Edam increases every single day, but this is probably the last Edam because I haven't had more than 2 cheeses so far, I think.
We have like 4 Ermitas.
Herb.
Really?
Yes.
Wow, okay, then I stand corrected. Cut the cheese, guys!
Let's test this out.
Look up. I'm
Ah.
over here.
That smells very mild.
That's cheese, alright.
That's really interesting.
Yeah, it's the best cheese in there. Not as good as brie, though.
It's pretty good.
Well,
I don't like it as much as aged cheddar still, but I really do like it. It's second place behind aged cheddar.
That one's my favorite. 'Cause
Gouda.
it's subtle.
Gouda, aged cheddar, and they're all good. This one has definitely a more complex taste compared to Gouda or aged cheddar.
Cheese. Hand me that, brother. This is from Moose.
Thank you, Moose, for the free product.
How'd you know?
Because I'm the one who wrapped it, brother. This is donate. This is a donate item.
You wrapped this? I thought it came from Santa.
It did come from Santa.
Oh, a chicken pie.
It's a cheeky puff, but Micah, this is going to children in need.
And you open it.
Yes, they will. Right. Yep. Thank you, Moose.
Freedom, free will.
And now we're gonna open up the big dang, diggity dang thing of this
Whoa.
Advent calendar day.
Oh, Micah's gonna like this.
We didn't wrap it because it would take too much wrapping paper, and we don't have time for that. So,
Slap that over here.
you know, that could have gone worse.
Mattel, thank you, Mattel, for the free product.
Thank you, Mattel.
Mattel.
Mattel. Okay.
What is it?
Wait,
Oh,
it's the Big World Big Adventure, the movie.
What is it?
Look at all those trains.
That's pretty epic.
I can see them all.
Oh my
Micah,
god,
Micah.
crazy.
Let's get out. Let's get out.
Okay. So,
Ooh.
Alright, here's one set of trains.
I need to play them.
Ooh, it has a car on it.
I
these
need
are
to
pretty
play
cool
them.
trains. That one has a snake
Let's
in
play
it.
these trains. Let's get out.
We've had these for like a year. This one's Chinese. This
Oh,
one's
there's an
cultural.
elephant on it.
Oh my goodness, the boat goes.
Wow.
That is pretty cool.
Oh no.
I want to connect all Micah's phone tracks.
Whoa. Woo.
Oh no, hurry.
Hurry.
You did it.
You did it. You did it, dummy. Hurry.
Yes, we can connect them
Hurry.
all.
Hurry.
Hoy, hoy.
Good dummy. No, I won.
Micah, he's gonna fall.
No.
Ah, Thomas. Micah, do you like Thomas and Friends? Micah, tell the camera, do you like Thomas?
Cool, Thomas. Hooray. Where'd this one go?
Oh no, Thomas is gonna fall.
Oh no. Oh no, Thomas.
I'll do it.
What's the point of voting for people that have a plan?
There's no point yet. Maybe someday in the microecology.
There's no point. It's just a loose.
Thank you for watching. Goodbye.
Bye,
Please
YouTube.
comment, share, subscribe, thumbs up, follow Twitter, and bye YouTube.
This video has been such a blast. What we did, yes. Okay, bye.